Hey YouTube, ID.Furkan here, and today we are going to check out the software versions of the ID.4 GTX. Now let's check out the chart. I put it now on your screen, and immediately you will see that I put the GTX, the software version, between 2.1 and 2.3. And that's it basically, because this car has been manufactured after 2.1 and released before 2.3. Then you have one option left, and that's 2.2. Also, Volkswagen said that 2.2 is actually just a software update only for the all-wheel drive systems. And the reason is simple. It has a front electric motor at the front, something new. It needs some new software bits and bytes to help, let's say, regenerating with the front engine. And that's exactly what you see at the first highlighted line, and that are the brakes. Normally, with a rear-wheel drive, it will only regenerate with the rear electric motor. But now we have a front electric motor, so that mechanism, I would say, need to be updated. So that's done here. The second highlighted row for 2.2 is brake boost. And as last, you have the last highlighted item, drive motor control 2. And I suppose that's the brain when the front engine decides to freewheel or give the power it needs for acceleration, regeneration, you name it. And that is actually 2.2. Thanks for watching, and then I will see you again in my next video. Later!